put this on repeat, I know. It's gonna be your favorite song, I know. Even when you're not here, you get all of my time. Sweeter than a number 9 with a large sunrise. Every nigga in your past hit him with the crossfire. Now I'm shooting to your crib like it was a drive-by. I can't get you out of my mind.
So to start off this video, I already have my wig cap started. I'm just applying foundation to my cap. Now I'm placing the wig on my head, and you can see on the right side I placed the details of where I got this wig. I got this wig from Aliexpress. I believe the hair is called the hair company is Rosa Beauty. Rosa Beauty hair. It was I can't remember what kind of wig, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna put all the details right there on the screen. So if you really wanna know the tea and all that good stuff, just pause it real quick and look at all that. But yeah, this wig was it, right? Like the lace was real transparent. It was giving like no lace. Well, lace, but not really. I did bleach and pluck it myself. And I did go ahead and spray it with the lace tint spray from the beauty supply store in the color medium brown. Now I'm just placing the glue along my hairline. I usually do like 3 layers. So I'll do that and then wait till it clears and then do another layer. Wait till that clears and then do another layer. The reason why my mouth is moving so much is because I was on the phone. So disregard that. Like, try to ignore it. Like, I was chatting for a minute. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. And I was rushing. I was getting ready for my pop-up shop. So I don't even know why I'm acting like I got all the time in the world when I really didn't. At the time of this video being dropped, I've probably had this wig on for 3 days. So far so good. Not really a lot of shedding, not much tangling. Like, again, it is a curly wig. I feel like your curly hair comes with its issues of like just snagging and kind of being a little bit dry and frail sometimes. But for the most part, the hair is good. I also want to add that I did also sew in 2 extra bundles inside this wig, so that could also probably, you know, help with the thickness of the hair and stuff like that. But overall, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 recommend. They did that. Rosa Beauty, yeah, ate that up. Is because I had to record the ending because I didn't get to finish because I was rushing. So yeah, but overall, I'm really going to give this hair a 10 out of 10.